What are the 5 most common items people buy for caravans? Hi everyone, I'm Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and here are the 5 most common items that people actually shop for and buy for their caravans. 1 is awnings. Now we know how fabulous an awning is, protects us from rain, we can add an annex, make extra rooms, throw the kids out there to sleep in the swag, somewhere to sit and eat that's protected from the sun as well. Number 2, the portable barbecue or grill. Now come on, we love a barbecue in Australia, and where would we be without our Ziggy or our Weber? 3rd most common item people buy, camping chairs, camping tables. Kind of goes hand in hand. Somewhere comfy to sit around the campfire, whittle the day away, watch the kids playing as they ride around the park and zip by and they're actually alive and okay. But a great camping chair is the world of difference between a good trip and a great trip. The 4th most popular accessory for caravans that people are buying are solar panels. The rise of battery storage, people wanting to be off grid, people to want to have backup batteries, it's fabulous. There is such a fast growth in the development of solar panels. They are becoming more economical with better capabilities to actually attract and turn power and store it in the batteries. The 5th most common item that people actually purchase is a portable toilet. Now, not everybody has the luxury of a bathroom in their caravan, or an ensuite as we tend to call it here in Australia, but a good old portaloo that you can take everywhere is fantastic. So whether you've got the tent outside, the camper trailer or your caravan, that porta potty is going with us apparently, guys. So it's Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. So give us a like and subscribe to follow along for more information.